Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about a favorite movie.
Hi. Hello. Do you usually watch movies at home, or at a movie theater? I usually watch movies on my laptop. Sometimes I go to the movie theater. Is watching movies at the theater more interesting than watching movies at home? Yes, definitely, because you can watch images on a large screen with lively sound effects. How often do you go to the movie theater? I often go to the movie theater every weekend. What's your favorite type of movie? What movie of that type do you like? My favorite type is comedy, because whenever I watch one, I feel like there are no more worries in the world. I love the Mr. Bean movie series. Was that movie adapted from a book? No. The story is derived from funny situations in real life. Who are the actors, actresses in the movie? Mr. Bean is the main character. He is played by Rowan Atkinson, who is from England. Was it recommended by your friend, teacher or family? It was recommended by my classmate. Was the movie in your mother language, or in English? It was in English, but I can also watch it with subtitles. Should children watch violent movies? I don't believe so. Young children are very impressionable, and it could lead them to wanting to imitate the behavior. What's the most important factor of a great movie? I believe that plot and actors are among the factors which decide the success of a movie.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about a favorite movie. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.